If your baseboards look like this, I'm sure you can make them much more beautiful. I'm going to show you how to quickly remove all the dirt from your baseboards so you can paint them beautifully and achieve this result. The baseboard doesn't look nice here because there used to be a strip with a wire in it and the nail holes are still there. I've applied the wallpaper and now I want to caulk that edge beautifully. Before I do that, I'll first clean the top of the baseboard so you can paint it nicely later, ensuring a seamless blend with the wallpaper. That's why I'll show you how to clean it quickly and effectively. When using a scraper, you'll need to scrape quite firmly. Just be careful not to damage the wallpaper. So what I always do is place a wide putty knife or something similar behind it, fitting it snugly in the corner. This way you can scrape harder to remove all the dirt. After scraping, sanding, and cleaning the baseboard, you can go ahead and seal the gap with acrylic caulk. Soon you'll see the final result of this baseboard. But first, some tips on painting the baseboard. If you want to paint a baseboard like this, it's a good idea to start with the brush, focusing on the top from above. Many people end up with drips on the front of the baseboard, and that's unfortunate. To prevent drips on the front and to avoid picking up debris from the floor, you can do the following. First, I'll paint the top so you have it done nicely. If you use an ample amount of paint, it's easier to paint along the wall. The only downside is that if you use too much paint, there's a chance it will drip over the front of your baseboard. I'll show you how to fix that in just a moment. But if you find these tips helpful, give me a thumbs up. Once you've done that, you can use a roller to paint this edge. I roll the roller in this manner over the baseboard. The bottom of the bracket helps maintain distance from your floor, ensuring a clean floor without getting debris on your roller. The advantage of using a roller is that it helps distribute the paint evenly, allowing you to paint the baseboard quickly. When you're done with that, you can use the brush to smooth out any roller texture, and you can even get it almost down to the bottom. You won't need any more paint. Just make it look as if you've painted the entire baseboard with the brush. If you're planning to install carpet afterward, you won't see the lower part. And if there's laminate in place, I recommend taping off the floor first. Here you can see both baseboards that we've worked on. This is the baseboard in the kitchen, and there will be new laminate flooring on the floor. And here we have the first baseboard where wallpaper was applied to the wall. Laminate has also been installed in the meantime. Let me know in the comments if you can do this now too. The wallpaper on the wall is fiberglass wallpaper, and if you want to learn how to apply it seamlessly, check out the video that appears in the middle of the screen. Subscribe to my channel quickly so you can avoid mistakes during painting. Click on the video that appears in the middle, where I'll teach you how to apply seamless wallpaper. I'll see you there.